Welcome back to another video. Today we have the VEVOR drain cleaner RC9001 120 volt 60 hertz 100 feet by a half an inch. Gross weight 52 kilos, made in China. So this is like basically a pro level drain cleaner. This is a heavy duty unit, pretty well packaged. It does have plastic corners on all four sides. Out of the box we got the wheels or casters, rubber wheels. We got an instruction manual, some sort of bar. We got some hardware, maybe what goes on the end of the cutting blades there. Here's the handle. It's in here. And throw the nut. And put this towards the back, the bend towards the back. You're gonna grab your bolts here. You're gonna grab your plastic with metal, screw them on. Rolls pretty good. Alright, this box is for your tools. This is going to be located here on the back. You can adjust it. Just put it right here so it opens and closes. You're going to put the screw on the top. There's itty bitty nuts in the back. And then you're going to take out your tools and throw them in there. Alright, the first thing out is just your standard spring cleaner for the tip. Next thing you have is some cutting blades. So this is you're gonna put them like that, and they're just gonna rotate and basically clean your drain tip. This is another tip that you can screw on the end of the wire. Finally, you got, here's another tip you guys could put in there. I did forget to put these on the wheels, so we're just gonna go ahead and throw these on the wheels. On the back here, you do have your foot on and off. I could just hear it. And then here on the power, you got test and reset. Obviously, rubber buttons here, so you can reset it, and then you can test it. So just wrap it in there, both of them, obviously. Cut it. Make sure you guys cut this on both sides. Otherwise, you're gonna get that stuck like me. This plastic knob. This is for the top here. Forward and reverse. We're gonna go ahead and plug it in. Got an extension there. And then we're gonna run the test. Reset. Test, it works. So reset on. So when you have the red lights, it's on. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the forward position. We're gonna put it in the forward. Alright. So it's feeding. Alright, we're going to put it on the reverse position. And it's fitting. You're basically going to put the tip in here. You're going to throw the tip in between these grooves, or these, and then you're going to put the screw on. Obviously with the face this way. Nice and tight. And this thing's gonna be solid. Alright, so once you have it in there, obviously put your tool away, throw it in there, and then you're gonna just you're gonna get to work basically. And just be careful with your gloves. Don't get them kinked in here. Obviously, this is very powerful, so you're not gonna grab it, you know, with strength. You're gonna just guide it through, just like that. When you want to push this back manually, you have to loosen this up basically. So loosen it up. All right. Once you have it loosened, nice and loosened like that, you can basically do it manually. And then just tie it up a little bit, and then you can operate it with electric. I do have to say, I do recommend this for the homeowner. For the professional, I could recommend it for somebody starting out, you know, on a low budget. But mostly for a homeowner or somebody that owns rental properties, definitely recommend something like this. You would save some money, actually a lot of money in calling a plumber. But yeah, definitely check it out, guys. I'll leave you guys the links down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.